going, guys?
Not bad, man. What can I do for you?
Man, so I saw you guys online, man, on your guys' Instagram, and you guys were doing this van, and you guys did a phenomenal job on the paint job, and man, it's got me curious. I kind of want to get some work done with you guys.
Well, first off, my name's Aaron, man. How you doing?
Aaron, what's up, man? I'm JJ.
Hey, JJ, nice to meet you. What did you have in mind? I mean, I know you got some...
Yeah, there's a little nicks and dings, you know, a little bit of surface rust. So if we could just, you know, bring it down to metal, fix all the nicks and dings, and get some matte black.
Okay.
With like a matte black red stripe down the middle, man. That's kind of what I was thinking.
Okay, not a problem. Now, I just want to let you know, you say you want to go down to metal, you know that's going to take a while.
Yeah, no.
Right? And you know it's not going to be cheap.
Yeah.
Okay, I just wanted to, so we're on the same page, right? Because a lot of people, when they say it, they don't understand what's involved.
I get it.
Right? So like, I know you were talking about the van, and that one, yeah, we pulled it all apart and we did all whatever, but we didn't take that one down to metal.
Right.
So to take this down to metal, you're looking at least a couple months.
Yeah.
Right, to get it done. And I know you said you had a few dings. I know you've got a little bit more than that. And the other thing is, with it being it's 71, right?
71, yeah.
With it being a 71, I'm pretty sure we're gonna end up finding some rust.
Yeah.
Right, that's a little bit more than surface. So what I would suggest we do is let's get it, I'll get it all the way down to bare metal. Once I get it down to bare metal, we'll put an epoxy primer over the top of it, so that way everything's protected. Once we get that done, then I can let you know what it's actually gonna cost, because then I can find out how much metal work we actually have to do.
Okay, man.
Okay?
I'm all for it, bro. This has been my first car I ever bought out of high school in 2005, so it's been a kind of a lifelong project for me. So I understand about the time. You know? Okay,
yeah, very good. Yeah, man. Sounded pretty healthy running up too. What do you got?
Yeah, man, I got a 383 full roller stroker motor in here. It's got the high-rise intake. It's got the Holy Sniper fuel injected carb.
Okay.
It's got the digital dash. You know, I got the serpentine belt.
Now I noticed you don't have, well, for one, I noticed your QA1 suspension. That's pretty cool. But I noticed you don't have any fender wells in here. Are we leaving it no fender wells, or what do you want me to do?
I would love, I mean, my dream is to, you know, make this a show car. And I just hated the look of the OEM fenders.
Okay.
So, you know, I mean, if you guys could design something to kind of hide this this engine bay and kind of keep the road grime off of my motor.
Yeah, I gotta go. We can call somebody. What we may end up doing is do like the metal insert, right? That comes up in here with like some bead rolling and stuff like that.
That would look good. That would like make my dream come true.
Okay. Seriously. Yeah. Like I said, it'll be a little while on that, but we could do it there. And then, is there?
Fenders.
You want to do flared fenders?
Flared fenders, yeah. At least like an inch on the front, and maybe like 2 inches in the rear.
Okay, and then for rims, because you know that's going to widen everything out. Are we using the same rims?
No.
Okay.
We'll do some custom rims. You know.
Okay.
Once you guys do the flared fenders, then maybe we could take some measurements.
Okay.
And see how big an offset we can do.
Okay.
You know. So my dream would be like 335s in the front, 335s in the rear, 305s up front.
Okay.
That would be my goal.
Yeah,
I mean, we could go down to 295s if it.
Okay, we could probably make it work.
These are 275s and they fit without the flared fenders.
Okay, we could probably make it work.
Yeah.
One other thing I want to let you know too, because we are taking this down to metal, on your particular one, I'm going to go ahead and pull the glass. Okay, so we do need to go ahead and get the glass out, for one, going down to metal and everything else, and with it being the year of it is and everything else, I think it would warrant pulling the glass on here. And it's not going to add too much, right? I mean, you're only really talking about a couple $100.
Yeah,
right?
I got this new one, and they have like the antenna.
Yep.
In this, you know about
that? Yeah.
But there is a little ding on it right here.
On the glass?
Yeah, a little ding right here. I was hoping we could maybe, you know, fill that.
Yeah, I'll call like Safe Light or whatever.
Yeah.
Or, well, actually not even Safe Light. There's a local company that I use to come out and pull the windows. When they come out to pull the window, I'll show it to them, and they'll let me know if they can go ahead and fix it. Okay. Or, you know what I mean, if it's got to be a replacement. Okay. So they're, same thing with the back. You ever thought about tinting it?
Yeah, if we could do a tint. You know, I've always wanted to get this back window tinted, but they said you got to take the window out to tint it because it has such a severe curve right
Guy
here.
down the street, Nick.
Nick?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah.
That'd be badass. You
Do
know,
there.
maybe we could, you know, get your guys' body shop etched in the back. You know what I'm saying? Get
Yeah,
your guys'
maybe. Yeah,
back.
that'd be cool.
Yeah.
That'd be cool. Another question. Color. Are we going same color, different color, keeping the racing stripes?
Let's go matte black with matte red stripes. One big stripe in the rear. You know, a yay big, and then like some outline stripes, just like this has, but just one big stripe.
Okay.
That's what I'm thinking.
What I'll end up doing, I'll get some photos of it and I'll play around with it on the computer.
Okay.
And I'll send you some renderings on the computer. You know, just because sometimes until you actually see it.
Yeah. No, exactly.
Yeah. And then, okay, so with it, are we doing it continuing on the hood? I mean, are we going to continue it on the roof, or are you just doing it like it is before?
I think the roof looks kind of funny, does it?
It all depends on the person, man. Right? Like, I like it because it flows.
Let's do the
Yeah,
rendering.
we'll do it on the
with
rendering.
and then without it, and then maybe make the
Okay.
decision at that time. Yeah.
Cool.
And then, you know, hey, if we can maybe get a quote for the interior stereo install.
Okay.
I've got most all the components there, but you know what ride isn't complete without some tunes.
Yeah, I got you. I got you. Yeah, we'll take a look. I mean, custom stereo is not really what we do here, but I mean, it's easy enough to make a phone call and have somebody come out to the shop and take care of it.
Absolutely.
So, yeah. We'll get that.
Well, hey man, based on the work that I saw from your guys' Instagram on that van and stuff, man, I'm like, dude, let's give this Camaro a try too.
Cool.
Absolutely.
I look forward to it, man.
Right on.
All right, appreciate it, JJ.
Oh, yeah.
We'll go inside. I'll punch up some stuff on the computer, get you an estimate or whatever, and then we'll go from there, man.
Let's do it, bro.
Cool. Right on.